Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to be making some Play-Doh or Play-Doh. And this is going to be kind of easy. I don't know. So grab a cheese. Okay, so yeah, let's just get on the Oh man. So come on, let's go. So
I needed to go get some water for the recipe because I just checked in the water. So now
this is the water oil because it's oil and the
1 cup of water.
Okay.
Oh, I need another half of this. Second, because it's a 1 cup.
Of
2
flour.
No, it's a 2 cups of flour.
Oh, 2 cups, right.
Yeah, but since I'm doing half, I don't need. Oh, that's way too much.
Oh no.
Way too much.
Now we gotta clean that mess before mom is comes.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's so good.
1 cup of water. 2. Okay, tar.
Okay. Oh man. So we just started. Okay. So
Have a cup of water. Stop. Move. Okay.
now pour it in.
Cup of water.
Then
Salt. Do we have salt?
yeah.
But it's running out. We don't have a lot of salt. Do you have more?
No, I think we do. Salt.
There's no salt. Salt doesn't come like that. Ay, vamos.
Okay, there are more salt. I thought we were going to run out.
No, I think I'm gonna go to the store and go get some more.
Yeah. I thought we didn't have no more.
I was about to say we're running out of materials.
So I was like, oh my god, wait, no. So that means we can't make slime. I mean, Play-Doh. Slime is kind of hard to make. before you start this route, if you're starting this route, please be careful if you ran out of salt, and ask your parents for help. Okay, yeah. I'm a singlet. I'm a singlet. I'm a singlet. I'm a singlet. So put your hands up.
Oh, now I know why you gave me so much salt. What? I feel like it doesn't make it that sticky.
Let me see.
Stop.
I also feel
It's all the way down there. It's right here.
Oh, it feels so weird.
Okay, stop. Excuse me. You're right.
I'm a singlet.
How many times am I gonna watch this? How many times did I watch it already?
I don't know.
I watched it 2, 3.
Okay, there we go. So,
So many stops, so many go back.
yeah. So, when are we going to add our oil?
Hold on. 2 teaspoons of oil. Now.
Okay.
No! Damn SpongeBob. Now that's it. Now, before we mix it. Oh, that ain't farted. Put things back. So, this goes in here. This goes on here. This goes. This goes in there. This goes back here. You know, like when you record me, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And this.
We don't want our parents to get mad because and then it will say, what was wrong in here? No, you got it. So this is when you mix it. This is how it's supposed to look like.
I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. That's how it comes out for me. Well, we'll show you once it's done, so bye.